So it has been a slow start as far as the Tigers go, but this is a very good shot. Just room offered, but equally well fielded in the deep, giving their all. Excellent commitment, one has to say. Definitely saving a few runs for his side on that occasion. To see the commitment, running in hard and giving his all, and then diving in the end, and definitely saving a couple of runs. That was Shantanu at the third man. What an effort. And that is exactly what you have to do as a fielder. Just compliment your bowler who's working hard. That struck beautifully. Straight to the fielder once again, running with the stroke. Direct hit was needed. That wasn't the case.
And that's the Chennai crowd there for you. Back to the rafters in certain stands. They've all come to see the local superstars and support their team. All having a very good time.
Yeah, very right. Really a gala atmosphere out here. That's again a good delivery. I think he's really doing his job very efficiently, Vikranth. No dearth of support as far as the Rhinos are concerned. Bengal Tigers as well. The owners are here. Boni Kapoor, Shri Devi. Smiling. That's good to see. That's Kajal Aggarwal, the brand ambassador for CCL Season 3. You know, I just feel he's walking across, Rohan, and he's having his share of problems when he's playing on the onside. As far as stubborn is concerned, especially when the ball is just drifting in to the right-hander, that's stubborn.
Well, his head is falling over and that's affecting his balance. He's got to keep his head still. He hasn't got off to the quickest of starts, strike rate of only 25 as of now. But a couple of boundaries will change that. Oh, he's gone. No, he hasn't. There was a little bit of movement after the ball left him. Fantastic delivery there. And there you see that little bit of movement.
Yeah, very rightly said, Rohan. There was a bit of deviation, and that was applauded by supporters of Rhinos. Down the leg side, there should be a wide. That's the right call as well. Oring for the first time in this over, Vikranth has been very steady. He's bowling in that channel regularly. Also, you rightly mentioned his head just falling, and that's the reason he's having his share of problems playing on the onside. In fact, just 3 fielders on the on for him. Again, a bit of movement. That's the end of the 4th over. 14 without loss.